glad to meet you.
इधर पे मे बी
Bro, that's a school. Pre-primary school, first step school.
हाँ तो देखो क्या लग रहा है स्कूल से जा रहे हो तुम
Faris.
Areen.
Faris.
Areen.
AWAZWYD.
Oh, that was old, man.
है ना?
That was
क्या
old.
सीन भाई?
AW था आज़ाद था, but someone had told me, someone I don't talk to anymore had told me कि इसको you should keep it W, आज़ाद करे उसको, बीच में W डाल दे.
क्यों? ऐसे ही.
ऐसे ही.
Looks nice.
It looks nice, and I have always been a fan of shorter usernames.
Sure.
That's it. I just put it. हो गया.
Nice.
It was cool.
No other backstory.
No other backstory, man.
That was your Instagram username.
Yeah, for a good 2 years, I think,
Hmm.
at least.
Alright. Getting straight to it. This is Unfinished Interviews featuring AWZYWD.
क्या बोल रहा है?
FRS. Faris. Lil Dhar. Little D. I've noticed that you're a very good debater. I know that you don't do it very often or you don't do it professionally, but I've seen you in college getting into some debates and you get your way out of that. You, even if you are at a disadvantageous position, which you have been a lot, how do you approach this topic of debates and formation of opinions so that you know you're sort of certain of them? I mean, you can never really know for sure. They might change. That's always a possibility.
Of course.
But I've seen you stand your own ground and be grounded in what you believe in. What is your process of like forming opinions and beliefs and sort of finding your own voice amongst all of the voices which are at our dispense?
I think, contrary to what other people would say, I think honesty is a great thing. I think one should admit when they don't know something, and if they know something, they need to have conviction. I think conviction is the main thing. If you believe enough, if you believe strongly enough, and you believe enough, I would say, with enough certainty, enough faith in yourself and the topic at hand, that you know क्या मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में गलत हूँ ही नहीं, then it's a lot easier. And I think the bigger thing is to remove emotions out of it. We all get emotional during conversations, especially when they're difficult conversations to have. I have debated with a lot of people regarding what happened to the Kashmiri Pandits and everything. Because Pandits की story ज़्यादा बोली जाती नहीं है. And people think that the story is only from the 1990. They don't realize 13th century से चल रही है story. So there's been things where, conviction hai. Where did I get the conviction? Where did I find my voice? And that depends on what the topic is. If it's something like Kashmir, for example, me being a Kashmiri Pandit, I know where I get my info from. I don't go to news channels and get my info. I don't go to Google and get my info. I get my info from books that are over 100, 150 years old, which are preserved in my grandfather's library. I know the first-hand experience of people who have told and passed down stories from generation to generation, things that have been given by authentic sources. I think the number two thing is not get emotional. It's very easy to get carried away if you believe very hardly, like very strongly in something, and सामने वाला बंदा आपसे 100% बिल्कुल derail कर रहा है conversation को. कभी कभार you have different kinds of arguments which throw you off your this thing. They give या तो personal remark होगा या तो topic के बारे में कुछ misinformation होगी, which they'll say so confidently, they'll think you'll believe them एक second में. नहीं करना चाहिए. You need to take the emotion out of it. You need to make sure that the other person, even if they're being emotional, you don't become emotional. You don't start tearing up and start crying कि नहीं मैं सही हूँ. No. If you can be calm, stand tall, no matter what your height is. When I say stand tall, you could be 5 feet tall or 6 feet tall. You just need to stand tall with a firm this thing, and you need to just be like, this is how it is. This is the fact. मैं अपनी बात से नहीं हटने वाला, and this is what it is. It's as simple as that. So you need to make sure you have that conviction, and you need to take the emotions out of it.
Personally, I have a hard time forming that conviction in the first place because I always feel like, what if I don't know? Like you get some information and you form your beliefs and opinions on the basis of that information. A problem that I have faced is always there's a doubt in my head कि what if this information is wrong, or what if there is more to it that I don't know. तो फिर जब मुझे कोई और आगे कुछ अपना कुछ अलग ओपिनियन एक्सप्रेस करता है ना, आई गेट लाइक अ लिटिल कि fuck bro, like
we all do, bro. Any kind of new information to human beings requires processing. That's a human thing to do. I would say if you're going into a proper debate with someone, if you're engaging into proper conversation, आपको establish करना ज़रूरी है कि conversation है debate है. If it's a conversation then it's good because people are there to learn. I don't like the word debate much because debate means कि you are there to prove a point. ये मेरा narrative है, मैं ये रख के जाऊँगा.
But you can do that.
You can do that, correct.
You can do that is what I'm saying.
I mean, I guess.
I've seen you do that.
Sure, I don't know, but the thing is कि I think one thing is there, before going into something you need to know कि do I know this for sure or not. अगर कोई सामने से मेरे
But
पास
how do you attain that certainty? Because you can never
you
know
research
for
enough.
sure, right?
See, you can. You see, I mean, it depends. If you have a argument about religion and God, that can go multiple ways. राइट सामने वाला बंदा आके तुम्हें कह सकता है कि आई डोंट बिलीव देयर इज एनी गॉड, मैं नास्तिक हूँ. आप कह सकते हो नहीं भाई खुदा तो है, मैं मानता हूँ. राइट एंड दैट कैन गो ईदर वे. दैट्स मोर लाइक अ बिलीफ थिंग. देयर आर सम आर्ग्यूमेंट्स एंड सम डिबेट्स व्हिच आर अबाउट कॉन्क्रीट टॉपिक्स, हिस्टोरिकल टॉपिक्स, एक कम्युनिटी के साथ क्या हुआ है. सो या इट जस्ट डिपेंड्स. आई वुड से दैट बिफोर गोइंग इनटू अ कन्वर्सेशन लाइक दैट वन शुड हैव
Enough information.
Yeah. If we don't have research, talk to people, especially उस community या उस topic पे related जो लोग हैं जिनके पास expertise है, experience है, knowledge है, उनसे बात करनी चाहिए.
On ground research.
Yes, उनसे आप गुफ्तगू करोगे, वार्तालाप करोगे, आपको और चीज़ें पता चलेंगी and then you know what to do exactly.
गुफ्तगू.
And if you don't know something, just admit you don't know it, man. Don't try and fake shit because ना ही वो आपके वो सब body language से पता चल जाता है और आपके चेहरे पे पता चल जाता है. Your voice says it very clearly. Facts.
So even if I am sort of certain about something, and even if I am right, a lot of times what used to happen, अब थोड़ा better हो गया है scenario after I've done a few things, but अभी भी I'm not there yet. What used to happen was that I just used to like, मैं थोड़ा, when that confrontational situation comes, where the conversation is turning into a debate and it's turning into something that it's like a face off. That confrontation used to scare the shit out of me, and I just used to lose all of my groundedness, standing, confidence, whatever you want to call it, and I just used to like sort of मैं हाथ खड़े कर देता था यार, मैं घबरा रहा था. So I think this also has a lot to do with your physical health and aspects related to that. How did you get into chakras? How did you get to know about this? How did you get into meditation, whether you want to call it spirituality, or whatever? What do you want to call it?
We'll just call it spirituality. I think it's a good umbrella term for a bunch of things, right? A lot of things. Man, I would say that I actually started meditation as a self-improvement thing. It was second year of college, I remember. I was just getting into working out, eating clean, doing all these things, right?
Improvement is master. I don't believe in that. I feel that is the Fight Club.
See, I mean, they're actually going with a very different approach to life.
That's a very nihilist
in a way.
Type of thing.
In a way.
I feel like it's not... See, sorry, we're derooting, but a lot of people put this as the title of their YouTube video. What it is meant to do is that it's meant to create a
capture attention.
conflict.
Yeah.
कि भैंसो सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट तो अच्छी है ना, और फिर ये खराब क्यों बोल रहा है? एक्चुअल में अच्छी है. एक्चुअल में देयर इज नो अदर लाइक व्हाट. क्या करोगे लाइफ में अगर यू आर नॉट इम्प्रूविंग, इफ यू आर नॉट लाइक अपग्रेडिंग योरसेल्फ एंड योर लाइफ एंड यू आर नॉट ग्रोइंग? दैट बेसिकली मीन्स ग्रोइंग. क्या करोगे लाइफ में? पेड़ क्या करते हैं? लाइक पेड़ ग्रो करते हैं ना.
100%.
एंड यू कैन कॉल दैट लाइक देयर इम्प्रूविंग देयर लीफ स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट शिट.
Yeah, I guess.
अगर एक बहुत अलग नज़रिए से देखो तो फिर आप कह सकते हो, पर दैट इज़ नॉट, यू कांट कॉल इट सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट. दैट इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट टॉपिक जो कि लोग इसका टेंजेंट पकड़ते हैं.
I guess.
बट लेट्स नॉट गो इनटू दैट. लेट्स कम बैक टू व्हाट वी वर. Spirituality. I like to call it spirituality more for some reason.
That's okay,
I feel
man.
like that O wala sound makes it sound a little spirituality. I feel like it has a
Why not?
Gandu tone to it.
But no, but I started meditation as a self-improvement practice back in second year, and I used to do it because I had read about the medical and the physical health benefits of it. One was that the amygdala, I believe that's what you call it, which is I think the part of your brain which produces anxiety and depression. वो shrink हो जाता है. You can actually shrink and expand different parts of your brain, right? With a few different things you can do. it was that. It was better sleep, better focus, discipline की बहुत चीज़ें थी. There were a lot of different things, and initially I just wanted to sleep better, so I started doing it. But I think I had,
You had like insomnia?
No. I just wanted to
Had
improve my
trouble
sleep quality.
sleeping?
No. I just wanted to improve my sleep quality. So what happened is I experienced some things. I'll just call it that. Not getting too much into detail, but I experienced a few things, and then I realized that meditation is, on the surface level, it's a physical practice, but it's just a spiritual practice through and through. It's that when I got into it, and then I just delved deeper, read a lot about these things. चक्र के बारे में ज़्यादा मुझे पता नहीं है. And
So you went into it like you go into journaling, like just for surface level things.
Yeah, I went into it for that. I had obviously heard of meditation as a spiritual practice and everything, but I thought that these things are beyond me. ये चीज़ें मेरे मतलब की है नहीं, मुझे ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आती हैं. These are not topics that I myself can grasp very well. But it was after that things changed. Then I started understanding these things a lot. चक्र के बारे में ज़्यादा मुझे पता नहीं है, but I have been spending a little bit of time reading about Vedic astrology. आपका जो एक planetary alignment की वजह से आपकी लाइफ में क्या changes आते हैं, and other things like those. Things I think the teenager in me would have called bullshit. But now when I have these conversations with my grandmother, my mother, opinions have changed a lot. And I think a lot of things now are very... see, unlike other, you could say, beliefs or faiths, right? We don't believe in like a hard set rule of things. जो वेद हैं, कोई सा भी वेद हो, आयुर्वेद हो गया, कोई सा भी वेद हो गया, जो हमारे वेद हैं, हमारे जो you could even say हमारी कुंडली की जो चीज़ें हैं, right? These are all recommendations. These are all, in a way, these are guiding principles and factors given कि this is what your, एक तरीके से आपका जो कर्म का पैटर्न रहा है, आपकी ज़िंदगी का पैटर्न रहा है, रीबर्थ का, what do you even call it, आपका क्या पैटर्न रहा है और आपको आगे आप क्या कर सकते हो, and all of those things.
पत्थर की लकीर नहीं है.
पत्थर की लकीर नहीं है. पता है कि ये एक गाइडलाइन है, एक चीज़ें हैं, कुछ रूल्स, नॉट रूल्स बट गाइडलाइंस वी टू फॉलो, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल की तरह. बट जहाँ जाना है वो आपके ऊपर है. गाड़ी आपके हाथ में, आप स्टीयरिंग व्हील आपके हाथ में, आप ड्राइविंग सीट पे बैठे हो. यू नॉट अ पैसेंजर जस्ट लुकिंग ऑब्जर्विंग एट लाइफ, राइट? यू कैन मेक योर ओन डिसीजंस. So yeah, it's just that I got into that, and I've just been learning a little bit as I go along. That's it.
ठीक है.